Where them Trini and them? All your way go get on bad tonight. That is a kind of spirit. I love it. Danny, I want to come in. I want to pass. Greenell on myself. Ding, 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 ding. Jenny. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, 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 ding. Johnny. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Oh, yeah. Long time Johnny calling me on the telephone. She said, Jamo baby, check me at my home. I have something nice and rosy waiting there for you. So you better collect it before somebody do. But all I want what she got for me. She said, Jamo, come down, then you go see. So I jump in a taxi and I went to check she. But why when I do so? She opened the front door. Then she saying to me, wait, let me get ready. But I wasn't patient, so I said, if you gon' give me something, girl, stop wasting precious time. Them kind of mama kissing, girl, really blowing my mind. Open up the door, let me come in. Junie, open up the door, I want to come in. Long time now you molesting me and I've been in a house. I don't know what's that you got for me, but I'm gonna take it now. Open up the door, let me come in. Junie, open up the door, I want to come in. Okay. Bye, bye. Bye, bye. I wanna pass. Junie. Sister Junie, tell me why you really acting so. If you have something for me, give me, let me go. Because I really know what is your intention. You're giving me parable and I can't understand. I don't want to stand here in front of your door. Because I'm a busy fella, I want to go. So stop all your selfish pride and let me come inside. Take me with a jacket and hang it in your closet. Then make me some hot tea to warm up my body. And then you go give me what is mine. If you gon' give me something, girl, stop wasting precious time. Them kind of mama kissing, girl, really blowing my mind. Open up the door, let me come in. Oh, Junie, open up the door, I want to come in. Long time now you molesting me and I've been in a house. I don't know what's that you got for me, but I'm gonna take it now. Open up the door, let me come in. Oh, Junie, open up the door, I want to come in. Okay. I want to pass. Any English woman in the crowd? Where them English? All you recently have been to England. And them English people have a new way of dancing the soca, you know. They just dance like that is the English dance. Come down, rebels. Woo! English dance. But she wouldn't sympathize and open up for me. She said to me, Jamo, I'm a decent young woman, and I'm ready to put my name in your composition. But if you would give me a minute or two, I would come and open it up for you. But how you behaving? Like you're out for something. So why don't you tell me what is all this hurry? If you come and buy me, you can't be so busy. If something is wrong, just let me know. If you gon' give me something, girl, stop wasting precious time. Them kind of mama kissing, girl, really blow show. I love you people, wonderful. God bless you, wonderful.
AJAMU, come on. The brother out of Grenada, one of the better talents out of the Caribbean. Show your appreciation for the brother.